Do you want to improve your buoyancy skills? In this video, Eva and me demonstrate 2 common buoyancy mistakes and how to fix them. You will first learn to keep your buoyancy under control when you descend. Then you will see how to sort out emergencies in case you lose control of your buoyancy on your way up, especially at the safety stop. If we never met before, my name is Patrick. I'm a diving instructor and co-founder of Air Consumption Scuba. My goal is to help you refresh and upgrade your diving skills. On this channel, I give you tips and tricks to improve your air consumption, get ready for your next diving holiday, and take your diving skills to the next level. I want you to feel comfortable from the first minute you hit the water again. If you are new here, consider subscribing. By the way, as my channel subscriber, you can get 40% off my course right now. Claim your coupon in the comments below. This offer won't last forever. Now, let's dive into the topic. What are the 2 most common buoyancy mistakes divers do underwater? Let's start with your wetsuit. Most wetsuits are made of neoprene. Neoprene is a flexible material that contains tiny bubbles. The deeper you go, the less buoyant your wetsuit is because these tiny bubbles get squashed. So, if you were neutrally buoyant at the surface in your wetsuit, you will most likely be negatively buoyant when you reach the deepest level of your dive. If you don't put air in your BCD, you will continuously hit the bottom, maybe even hurt yourself and the aquatic life, or struggle to maintain your depth if there is no bottom. If you don't pay attention, it's easy to fall far deeper than you should. Then you have to kick up. Your breathing rate starts to speed up because of the physical effort, stress, and maybe even anxiety. This will empty your tank faster. As you are at the deepest level of your dive profile, you can easily waste 1/3 of your air supply in a couple of minutes. How can you avoid this? Simple and easy too. Press on the magic button gradually while you descend to maintain neutral buoyancy. Towards the end of the dive, when you start changing depth and slowly make your way shallower, divers with less experience often forget to vent air out of their BCD. When you descended to the deepest depth at the beginning of your dive, you added some air to your BCD because your wetsuit lost buoyancy, right? If you put air in your BCD at 30 meters, remember, this air will expand on the way up. Back at 10 meters, the air in your BCD will have doubled. This is when you sometimes see divers rising slowly up towards the surface, like hot air balloons or like magnets slowly attracted to the surface. They just lost control of their buoyancy. When this happens, they usually try one of 2 things. They either press the deflate button on the inflator, but surprise, surprise, no air comes out. In this situation, the air is trapped at waist level in the BCD. Air always heads upwards vertically towards the surface, or they start to kick and swim downwards with their hands head first. Neither of these 2 options will fix the problem. If you forget to vent your BCD gradually on your way up and you lose control of your buoyancy, don't waste time. Either move your body so it's nice and vertical, slightly leaning backward is even better, grab your inflator, extend it, and hold it slightly backward as well. Press the deflate button and empty your lungs all the way, but don't hold your breath. Or do this: stay head down and kick downwards. Use the release valve on the right hand side at the back of your BCD. This is why you should always get familiar with the equipment you use and why you check it works well. Adjust the air in your BCD each time you change depth. Remember, your lungs are your best buoyancy control device. Use your BCD when your lungs can't do the job. Find the right balance. Use your BCD moderately. In this video, Eva and me showed you how to sort out the 2 most common buoyancy mistakes. You now have tools you can use right away to handle buoyancy-related emergencies. Did you learn some new cool stuff in this video? Then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. And don't forget to check out the course on airconsumptionscuba.com. See you soon.